Hi friends, welcome to my channel Easy Learning Business Studies. Today we are going to discuss class 11 topic source of business finance. The term finance means money or funds. Business finance refers to the money and credit invested or employed in the business firm. In other words, in short, we can say business finance refers to the money required to carry out activities related to business. It's concerned with the acquisition and utilizations of capital in meeting the financial needs and overall objectives of a business enterprise. Finance is very important to the business as it is the lifeblood of an organization, as body cannot function properly without sufficient quantity of blood. Similarly, it's very difficult to run business suitably in the absence of adequate funds. We cannot even think that a business can survive without adequate capital. Business need huge amount of investment to get going. Funds are essential at each and every stage of business, whether it's starting or operating stage or its expanding stage. Let us see the nature of business. Nature of business finance. It includes capital funds and borrowed funds. It requires in all types of organization. It differs based on nature and size of business. Yeah, nature we can say manufacturing concern or trading concern, and size of business also. Either it may be small scale or larger scale. Depends upon that we can decide the finance amount. Requirements of fund vary from time to time and it requires on a continuous basis. Let us discuss about financial needs of business, or we can say importance of business finance or significance of business finance. Financial needs of business. Here we have fixed capital and working capital. Fixed capital requirements. In order to start business, funds are needed to buy fixed assets such as land and building, furniture, plant and machinery, etc. So, this is known as fixed capital requirements. The fund required in fixed assets remain invested in the business for a longer period of time. Requirements of fixed capital depends upon the nature of business, as I told earlier, manufacturing concern or trading concern, scale of operation, large scale or medium scale or small scale. For example, we can say this fixed capital requirement, a manufacturing organization requires more fixed capital as compared to the trading concern. Similarly, a large scale enterprise like a Tisco generally requires greater fixed capital than a small scale enterprise like a mini steel plant. Let us see about the working capital requirements. Funds needed for day-to-day operations of business is called working capital. The financial requirements of an enterprise do not end with the procurement of fixed assets. A business needs fund for this day-to-day operations also. This is known as working capital of an enterprise. It may be used for holding current assets like stock, bills receivable, and for meeting current expenses such as salary, rent, tax, wages, etc. So the amount of working capital requirement is in the business depends on various other factors like nature of business, scale of operation, seasonal factors, credit allowed, credit availed, production cycle, etc. For example, a business firm selling goods on cash or having a high sales turnover requires less working capital as compared to a firm selling goods on credit or having a slow sales turnover. Similarly, larger funds may be required for building higher inventories for the festive season or to meet current debts or expand the business or to shift to a new location. It's therefore important to evaluate the different sources from where funds can be raised. Hope you're clear with the concept business finance and financial needs of business. Thank you.